Good afternoon, Mothers Numbers. I will be going over a method with you that you probably have seen on my rundowns, but you wasn't sure how I did it. So what I did, I went to Lottery Post and I pulled up your states to see what y'all got for midday. This will be a part one of a part two video. I'm doing these 6 states, and part two will have the other 6 states with the midday numbers that came out. So let's begin. So as you see, Florida got 411 midday. So you go plus, which originally turns into, or AKA plus 1, minus, also known as minus 1. So we're only using the first 2 digits of each hit. Anything else doesn't apply for this method. So for Florida, you see we got 411. So you would just do your first 2 numbers. Okay, so 4 plus 1 would give you 5. 1 minus 1 would give you 0. You move to the next one, so you're minusing 1. So 4 minus 1 will give you 3. 1 plus 1 will give you 2. Your numbers for Eve could be in this. Let's go to the next one, same method. You're only using the 17 from the Illinois hit. So 17 right there. 17 right there. Same method. 1 plus 1 gives you 2. 7 minus 1 gives you 6. 1 minus 1 gives you 0. 1 plus 7 gives you 8. These numbers could come for your Eve, or those could be your pairs. Let's go to Kansas City. Kansas City got 04 as the first 2 numbers. So you remember 04 goes right here. 04 goes right here. So 0 plus 1 will give you 1. 4 minus 1 will give you 3. Let's move next door. 0 minus 1 will give you 1. 4 plus 1 will give you 5. So Kansas City, y'all Eve, these could either be the pairs or the number could come out of there. Let's move to the next one. Hopefully I'm not going too fast. Maryland, you see we only have the 9, 5. So you will bring that down. 9, 5, 9, 5. Same thing. 9 plus 1 is 10. So you only use the numbers on your right hand side. So with 10, you will only use the 0. 5 minus 1 will give you 4. Same thing on the next side. 9 minus 1 will give you 8. 5 plus 1 will give you 6. These could either be Maryland's pairs or your number could come out of there. Let's move to Michigan. We got 014. So our first 2 numbers will be 01, 01. Same thing. 0 plus 1 will give you 1. 1 minus 1 will give you 0. 0 plus 1 will give you 1. 1 minus 1 will give you 0. We could get these pairs or the number could come out of there. And the last one I'm going to do for you will be Mississippi. So in Mississippi, we're only using the first 2. So we'll drop it down. So that would be 44. Next door will be 44 as well. So same method. 4 plus 1 will give you 5. 4 minus 1 will give you 3. 4 minus 1 will give you 3. 4 plus 1 will give you 5. So these can either be your pairs or the numbers can come out of it. This is what a complete one should look like. Let's say, for instance, I'll pull y'all some pairs out. So this is how you do it. I'll try to make room. So your first number could be 4141 because we're going straight across. The next possibility could be 5032. You're just adding them together. Next, we get 4105. 4105. or you could bring it back around, 4501. Now let's go next door to it. We could get 4123, or you could bring it back around, 4321. Now that's all our 4 digits. Now we can pull out the 3 digits. So to pull out the 3 digits, you go 410, 415. You go next door, 412. Or you could go 432. You could also make 1, 2, 3 out of it. Well, you know it's supposed to be a 3. So this could be your possibilities, Florida. All right, let's try to do the next one. My bad, I didn't think that I was gonna. I kind of don't have enough room, but I'm gonna do one more and then y'all could do it the rest of the way or for your own state, because I'm showing you with these two how to pull the numbers out. So let's go. So for Illinois, we could get, or y'all could get 1717. You see what I did? I just grouped them together. You go down, you could get 2608 by putting them together. So now we're going to go back to the top. You could get 1762. Or 1267. Or we could go on this side, 1780. Or bring it around, 1087. Now let's pull out our 3 digits. So we go 176, 172. Let's go to the other side, 178, 170. And that's how you pull out your 3 digits. Or you could go 108, 107, 127, 126. So that's how you pull it out. If you want to screenshot this rundown and try to do the other states and see if you could do it the same way like I just did. Good luck, and hopefully this helped you. I'm on the way to do part 2.